You better think. 88 counts, ABC phrased advanced. Part A, total 32 counts, 2 was. First A, of course, start at 12, but for easy showing, I'll walk through Part A, start facing 6. Weight on the left. Section 1, cross right over, unwind half turn, facing 12. Keep weight on the right. Ball cross, step left to left diagonal, hitch right, slide right back with drag, behind side cross. Section 2, out out, right left. For lyrics, think think, point finger to tempo, out right, out left, right coaster step. Make a quarter turn rock to left, facing 9. Quarter recover to right with sweep over 2 counts, facing 12. Count Part A, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part A, Section 3. Single counts, cross, back, side, cross, back, half forward facing 6, half back with sweep over 2 counts facing 12. Section 4, 2 sailor, right sailor, left sailor, 2 walk, right, left. There are 2 endings for Part A. The first ending is for the first A and the A's that connects to B. You will do right shuffle forward with sweep. The second ending is for the A's that connect to another A. You will do out, out, in, out, out on heels, in, to start A cross. Count Part A, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. First ending, 7 and 8. The second ending, after walk, walk, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and cross on 1 to start another A. Part B, total 32 counts, 1 walk. Part B is always start facing 12 o'clock. Part B is 16 counts and then mirrored another 16. Part B, Section 1, after end of A with sweep. Start from right diagonal 130. Full diamond, start with left foot. Cross side diagonal back. Behind side diagonal forward. Forward side diagonal back. Behind side diagonal forward. Facing 130. Section 2, gallop with hands going up. Step together, step together, step together, step. Modified glide box with jazz hands down. 3-8 back, quarter forward, quarter back, 3-8 forward. Now facing left diagonal 1030. Part B, Section 3 and 4, mirror Section 1 and 2. Full diamond, start with right foot. Cross side diagonal back, behind side diagonal forward. Cross side diagonal back, behind side diagonal forward. Facing 1030. Gallop, step together, step together, step together, step. Modified glide box. 3-8 back, quarter forward, quarter back, quarter side. Scrub to 12. Count Part B. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part C, 24 counts, 1 walk. Part C always start at 12 and finish at 6. Section 1, ball side rock recover behind side cross. Left side rock recover behind side cross. Section 2, step to the right diagonal. Step right hand tap left heel. Recover on left. Behind side cross. Step left to the left diagonal. Left hand tap right heel. recover on right, left coaster step. Section 3, 2 kick step point, right kick forward point, left kick forward point. Step pivot half facing 6, right foot, ball rock and hitch right. Count part C, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Whole dance count. First A plus. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. A plus, repeat last 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, out, 7 and 8 and. A minus, 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Into B, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, part C, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Start A backward. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4. Then you will follow the sequence with 2 full A and a half A into 1B, 1C, and then do another full A and with shuffle, and complete with 2B. Ending for the dance, after the last box turn, you will do an additional box turn. After the turn, side right, reach both hands up and take a bow. End of the whole dance.